Hey guys, welcome back. Yes, I'm in my bathroom and I'm going to bleach my hair. So this is what this video is going to be about. Me bleaching my hair at home solo. Before we get into this, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe because why not? It's free. And welcome back because I did took a little break from YouTube. So I'm back. And yeah, if you want to see how I burn my hair or if this works for me, then keep on watching. So I guess this will be my intro because I'm not going to film another one. My hair doesn't want to cooperate today, but I'm going to tame this in a few moments. So I'm going to give you a few details about my hair, and I'm going to say that 2 months ago I did got my hair done and I wanted something like this, like an ombre balayage effect, you know, that summery vibe hair. And the girl said that my hair, like the pores, are very open, and she was kind of afraid to do my hair, and basically she gave me like a baby balayage, and it's not exactly what I wanted, and that was expensive, like so expensive. So I'm going to give myself today a gorgeous ombre hair. What? And also this is my natural hair color. And I don't know why she was afraid to do my hair. Like, I don't have any color, any dye in my hair. So, yeah. It's not bad, but it's not what I wanted. You know what I mean? Yeah, so this is my hair. This is my natural color. I do have, like, these highlights in my hair. And basically, that's it. I don't know how much you can tell, but I do have highlights. Also here on the box it says that this works better on virgin hair, like non-dyed hair. And I don't know, I have that feeling that this will work for me. My only wish is, finger crossed, I really hope this won't give me orange hair because I really don't want orange hair. So quick disclaimer, I'm not a hair professional. I do this at home at my own risk. 8 euros, ombre hair. I really hope I won't get orange hair. They do recommend you to do a patch test before you go and apply this all over your hair to see if you are allergic or not. So I guess I'm going to show you what we have inside, but I didn't say what is this. This is L'Oréal Colorista Ombré hair. So they do have another one, it's bleach, I don't know, but that's kind of white and I don't want white hair, you know. So we have quite a few products. Well, a few products. So this is the brush you are going to apply. I'm going to apply the cream, like I'm going to work the cream in my hair with this tiny little brush. I don't know if the camera will focus. Next we have a bottle and it says number 2, and I guess this is the developer. Yes. Then we have the number 1. This is the powder, like the, how you say this? The colorante, I don't know. So this is the number 1. Then we have shampoo and conditioner. This is blonde hair cream. Well, okay, I'm a little bit confused here. So we have 1, 2, this is 3, and this is the shampoo. I really thought this was conditioner, but it's not. And also we have gloves, very necessary. Also we have the instructions, and basically it says to mix 1, 2, 3, shake it very, very well and then apply it on your hair. So let's do this because I'm excited. Before we start this, I'm going to show you once again how my hair looks like, and I have baby balayage, as I said, or highlights, I don't know, call it whatever you want. And I do really love how these frontal pieces frame my hair, so I guess I'm going to accentuate a little bit more of that. But basically this is my hair right now. Finger crossed. I really hope this will work for me. I'm kind of scared a little bit because, as I said, I don't want orange hair, but let's do this. Alright, so my idea was to put my hair into a ponytail and then do the ends, but I guess it's not the best idea. They do recommend you to divide your hair and work in section like this. But I'm going to put half of my hair up, and I'm going to work like that, you know. I'm going to be a pro. just kidding. I'm not a professional. I have no idea what I'm doing. So wish me luck. Alright, so I'm going to work like this, like in two sections, if that makes sense. I don't know how to explain things. You know, I just like to show you how I do it. I don't know how to explain. But yeah, I'm going to mix the ingredients. I watched a few reviews and they recommend you to leave the door and the windows open because this smells so bad and the smell is super strong. Next I'm going to put this cream. It says developer cream. I don't know. Oh yeah, that smells very bad. Oh, you saw that? Alright, so I already failed because I didn't put on the gloves. But basically I put everything in this bottle and I'm going to shake it. But first I'm going to put the gloves on. Make sure you use the gloves because this bleach can burn your skin. Let's see. Oh, they are way too big for my small hands. Nah, I don't like them. So I'm going to use my own gloves. Alright, so I have the gloves on. And next I'm going to shake this very well. Alright, so I think that's enough. So my intention is to focus this mostly on my ends and slightly I'm going to bring this up. But since I do have highlights, I don't know, we shall see. But my intention is to focus this mostly on my ends to achieve that ombre effect, if that makes sense. So I'm going to start with the brush and see how this works. If I don't like it, I'm going to apply this with my fingers. Let's see. Oh my god! I got scared for a second. I'm not gonna lie. Also, I'm not gonna lie. And luckily I do have the gloves on. So this looks kind of nasty. Alright, so make sure you wear a t-shirt that you don't really care because the bleach will bleach it. So I choose to wear a white one because the bleach is white, so you cannot see that if I got this on my shirt. So yeah. Next I'm going to distribute this evenly on the brush and then let's see how this works. Okay, so as I said, I don't know what I'm doing. Alright, so my tip here is with your fingers. Oh, this smells so bad. So with your fingers, you bring this up slightly. So this is the tip. Blend this upwards with your fingers. So you won't get that straight line, if that makes sense. So since here I have this highlight, I'm not going to focus too much on that part, but I'm still going to apply just a tiny bit. So I want the ends to be very saturated, if that makes sense. And then I'm going to work this. I'm doing the frontal piece and I'm only working this part. I still have a lot of product left. You can see this already started to develop. I really hope on the back looks okay. I don't know, let's hope for the best. I'm going to let this 30 minutes to develop, and then I'm going to wash my hair with the shampoo that they provide. This is the number 4, and I'm going to be right back and I'm going to show you the final result. Finger crossed. Alright guys, so I just washed my hair and I'm going to show you how this looks wet. But from what I saw in the shower, I am impressed and I really hope this turned out nice. I don't want this to be perfect or amazing, I want this to be even, like nice. You know what I mean? And I'm going to apply this serum. This is from Kérastase and is their Sérum Thérapiste. I don't know, but this is really good. So yeah, let's see how this looks. And as you can see, I don't like to use a towel for my hair because I feel like that dries my hair. I don't know if that makes sense. So I'm using a t-shirt to dry out my hair. And I'm not going to lie, my hair feels a little bit dry, especially at the ends, but I guess that's normal when you bleach your hair, right? I don't know. This is how my hair looks like, and oh my god, I am impressed. I really hope this is even, like an even ombre. I don't know. So yeah, this is my hair wet. And I'm going to apply the serum and then I'm going to dry my hair. So I'm going to use just the pump. And that's enough. So I don't know how to blow dry my hair. Isn't that crazy? I mean, I don't know how to work my hands. I don't know. I don't know. So yeah, I'm going to dry my hair and style a little bit, and I'm going to be right back to show you the final result. Alright guys, this is the final result, and I have to say that I am really impressed. I kind of like it, but I'm going to say that it's a little bit too orange for my liking, so I have to get that purple shampoo to tone this a little bit down. But other than that, I do really think that this kit worth it. So if you feel brave enough, try it. My only advice is to ask a friend to help you, because in the back I think it looks kind of not cute. You can see here that is not cute. I should probably blend that a little bit more, but it's not very bad, if that makes sense. I'm going to show you the back. I think right here it looks kinda not very blended, if that makes sense. But you can hide that, so I'm not worried about that. But from what I see in this lighting, oh my god, I like it. I think this was a success. I was afraid that this will turn super orange because I saw a few reviews, but it's not that orange in my opinion. I don't know, let me know down below, what do you think? Is this a success or it was a fail in your opinion? Let me know down below. And as I said, I do really need to get that purple shampoo to tone this a little bit down. But my face, not my face, but my hair feels okay, like it's not, doesn't feel damaged, if that makes sense. Hey guys, so this is the next day and I really wanted to show you how my hair looks in the natural light. I think it looks absolutely gorgeous, and excuse my face, I just woke up. So this is my hair in the natural light. So yeah guys, I really don't know what else to say. I'm super happy with the result. I'm very happy that I don't have that straight line in here. So I guess my blending technique really works. I really think this worth €8. So I'm super impressed, L'Oreal. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Let me know what do you think down below once again, and that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Take care, and I will see you in my next one. Mwah.